Hello students, so welcome back to the second session, alright, of chapter 1, number system. Okay, first of all, we'll see MILLY, Millie. I dedicate this word to Mahadev sir because he is the one who has given me this word. Now what does it mean? Millie, M, most, I, important, L, lesson, L, learnt, Y, yesterday. Most important lessons learnt yesterday. So we are going to recall what we learnt. Here yesterday means in the previous video, okay, because we are learning online now. Alright, so first of all we learnt about natural numbers, correct? Then we learnt about whole numbers. Third, integers. And fourth, rational numbers. Rational numbers. The symbol, the set notation for set of natural number is N. For whole numbers, it is W. For integers, it is Z, not I. And even for rational numbers, it is Q. For quotient, Zahlen, that is German word, which means numbers. Alright? Fine. Now, just as we, okay, that is all we learned in the previous session. Okay? Now, this integers are of three types: zero integer, negative integer, and positive integer. In the same manner, you will have rational number also, one which is zero rational number, the other which is positive rational number, and third type, that is negative rational number. Okay? You have learned any number of the form A upon B, or you might say P upon Q, or you might say M upon N, where this B, this denominator, whatever is the denominator, it should not be equal to 0. This numerator can be any integer. It may be 0, it may be negative, it may be positive. But this denominator should not be equal to 0. Non-zero integer. Correct? That is how we defined rational numbers. Alright? Clear to you? Sure? Now, let's find out rational numbers between any two integers. We have already seen, in fact, the concept of rational numbers had come from that only. Okay? Let's see. I'll draw a number line. All right. I'm not going to write all integers. I'm going to write only those integers between which we have to find the rational numbers. Okay, so let me choose 1 point, bold it and write 2. Another point, 3. Okay, you might take one more, here 4, and here it will be 1. Equidistant. If the distance is bigger or smaller, try to understand. Yes, the distance should be definite between any two successive or consecutive integers. Right. My focus is to find rational numbers between 2 and 3 on this number line. How many? Let's find out 5 rational numbers. Actually, how many exist between 2 and 3? Very good. There are infinite. And did you remember how we found rational number which is exactly between 2 and 3? Did you remember? Alright. let x be a rational number between 2 and 3. Then बताइए x is equal to average of this 2 plus 3 divide by 2, and that is 5 by 2. If you want to convert this 5 by 2 into mixed number form, then you can divide 5 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1. So 2 integer, remainder 1 upon the divisor. So either write 5 by 2 or you may write 2 integer 1 upon 2. Anything can be written. This is called mixed number. You have learnt in your lower standards, right? And it is same as 5 upon 2. Now I would like to find rational number between 2 and 5 upon 2. So let y be a rational number between 2 and 5 upon 2. Then बोलिए what will be y? Somewhere here. What will be that y? Y is equal to 2 plus 5 upon 2 whole divided by 2. But I'll write here, I'll put division sign here. 1 LCM 2 2s are 1s are, that you know, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5s are 5 multiplied by inverse of 2 1 upon 2. 4 plus 5 9 upon 2 into 1 upon 2, that is 9 upon 4. So I got the next rational number, which is 9 upon 4. Correct? Alright, let's find out rational number between 5 upon 2 and 3. Let y I have already taken. Let z be a rational number between, I'm writing in short here, okay, between, okay, what is that? 5 upon 2 and 3. All right. Then this z is equal to this plus this divide by 2, average of those two numbers, 5 by 2 plus 3. Now you know, I'll represent in rational number form, a upon b form, so I put upon 1. Whole upon 2, instead I am writing dividing by 2. That is equal to LCM. 2 1s are 1 2s are 1 5s are 5. ये इसका multiplication 2 3s are 6. Convert this division into multiplication. So 2 becomes its inverse. Chalo. 11 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. 11 1s are 11 and 2 2s are 4. So here, exactly in the middle, I got 11 upon 4. Is that clear to you, children? Is that clear to you? Sure? Alright. Now see, I got 3 rational numbers, 9 upon 4, 5 upon 2 and 11 upon 4. How many rational numbers exist between 2 and 3? Infinite. And from those infinite rational numbers, I have to find 5. 3 I have already found. Now I have to find next 2. Alright? Chaliye. I have to erase this because 2 more I have to find and I have no space on the board to write. Chaliye. Now I am going to call the rational number between these two numbers as A. Let A be the rational number between 9 upon 4 and 5 upon 2. Here. Okay. Then, what is that A equal to? Sum of these numbers. 9 upon 4 plus 5 upon 2. Whole upon 2. But that I convert into division sign. Divide by 2. Now the LCM is 8. Sorry. LCM is 4 only. It's not 4 2s are 8. LCM will be 4. 4 1s are 2 2s are. Correct? 4 1s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Now this 1 into 9 is 9. 2 into 5 is 10. convert division into multiplication. So we'll have to write inverse of 2, which is 1 upon 2. Now this is 19 upon 4 into 1 upon 2. So that is 19 upon 8. So next rational number is 19 upon 8. Okay. So how many we got? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's find out one more. Okay. Let B be the rational number between, बताइए कौन सा ले ले? Okay, between these two. Oh, यहाँ होगा. Let B be the rational number between 5 upon 2 and 11 upon 4. Then what will be this B? Sum of those two, 5 upon 2 plus 11 upon 4. Divide by 2. Dividing by 2 means we are taking the average. Chaliye. What is the LCM of 2 and 4? Once again 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 1s are 4. 5 2s are 10. 11 1s are 11. Alright. Multiplied by 1 upon 2. This is 21 upon 4 into 1 upon 2. 21 upon 8. 21 ones are 21. 4 2s are 8. So this is 21 upon 8. Got it, children? Did you get all 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3? Good. And at the end, you can write down thus 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3 are, please write in order, 9 upon 4, 19 upon 8, 5 upon 2, 21 upon 8 and 11 upon 4. Even if you don't write in order, it's okay. You want only the rational numbers between 2 and 5. Sorry, 2 and 3. So these are. Can you get more rational numbers between 2 and 3? Yes, because there are infinite. ये दोनों के बीच मिलता जाएगा, ये दोनों के बीच, ये दोनों के बीच, ये दोनों के बीच जो है इस दोनों, suppose this is between this, so ये दोनों के बीच, ये दोनों के बीच, फिर उसके बीच, फिर उसके बीच, you will keep on getting rational numbers. So there are infinite rational numbers. Okay, chaliye, done. Fine. Now we shall find rational numbers between. What we found now? Rational numbers between two integers. Now we will find rational numbers between two rational numbers. Rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay. This is second one, rational numbers between 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 4. Let's find out the rational numbers between 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 4. First we found rational numbers between 1, in first case we found rational numbers between 2 and 3. Those were integers. Now these are rational numbers. Okay? Fine. What shall we do? I don't want any rational number other than this two. Okay? On the number line. Number line पे ये दो rational number ही बताएंगे. You know, on the number line, the number to the left is small and the number to the right is always big. So if I want to represent only these two rational numbers on the number line, then I'll have to find which is the smaller one of the two. Bolo. Their denominators are same. These are rational numbers with like denominators. Like denominators. Like denominator matlab denominator same. So it is very easy to determine which is smaller. Just observe the numerators. 1 and 3. Which is smaller? 1. So 1 upon 4 is small. So I'll write here. This is 1 upon 4. And to its right somewhere, this is bigger, 3 upon 4. Now you tell me, between 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 4, how many rational numbers exist? Infinite. And you are supposed to find 3. This time we'll find only 3. Alright? Chaliye. So how will you find? Now this time the presentation of work is little bit different. वो conceptually समझना था, इसलिए एक को x कहा, दूसरे को y कहा, z कहा, चौथे को a कहा, पांचवे को b कहा. No need, while representing, no need of writing, but concept समझने के लिए I use that. Okay, now solution का presentation के लिए आपको क्या करना है? First rational number. Okay, direct 1 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4 divided by 2. That is equal to, अरे वाह, like denominator, so you may write directly, or 1 plus 3. Alright, multiplied by 1 upon 2. So this is 4 upon 4 into 1 upon 2. This time it is reducing, cancel हो रहा है, and the answer is 1 upon 2. Don't worry, exactly in the middle is 1 upon 2. That is the rational number. So this is your first rational number. Now let's find out second rational number. Second rational number. I'm using short form. You can also use short form for rational number as Rn. Now ये दोनों के बीच, so 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 whole upon 2. But that becomes little bit complicated expression. So I write divide by 2. इस बार LCM है 4. 4 1 जा 4, 2 जा 4. And 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 equal to multiplied by, so inverse 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4 into 1 upon 2, 3 upon 8. So exactly between this we got 3 upon 8. दो rational numbers मिल गए. Now let's find out the third rational number. किसके बीच ढूंढना है? ये दोनों के बीच, ये दोनों के बीच, या ये दोनों के बीच? You can choose any two. Okay, for our convenience we'll choose this. All right, that is half plus 3 upon 4 divided by 2. Like not like denominator, but LCM is, sorry, again I wrote 4, sorry. 2 2s are 4 1s are 2 1s are 2, 1 3s are 3. Convert division into multiplication. So this is 5 upon 4 into 1 upon 2. 5 1s are 5, 4 2s are 8. So this is 5 upon 8. So you got first, second and third. You are supposed to find 4. So let's find out the fourth also. Fourth rational number. Well, between any two. कौन सा ले ले? Let's take this two. हाँ, जो भी पॉइंट्स आप सिलेक्ट करते हैं वो सक्सेसिव होना चाहिए. डोंट टेक दिस टू बिकॉज ऑलरेडी मिडल में क्या है पता है. डोंट टेक दिस टू बिकॉज ऑलरेडी मिडल में क्या है वी नो इट. सो बिटवीन दिस टू, लेट्स टेक बिटवीन दिस टू. सो हाफ प्लस, आई एम पुटिंग दैट पॉइंट बिटवीन, सो वी विल अंडरस्टैंड वी हैव टू टेक 1 upon 2 and 5 upon 8 और उसका एवरेज, सो डिवाइड बाय 2. LCM this time is 8. 2 4s are 8 1s are 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5s are 5 multiplied by inverse of 2 is half. 9 upon 8 into 1 upon 2. So 9 upon 16. So this is 9 upon 16. Oh children, 3 ही ढूंढना था, हमने 4 ढूंढ लिया, कोई बात नहीं. Anyway, so required rational numbers between 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 4 are, बोलिए, 3 upon 8, 1 upon 2, 9 upon 16 and 5 upon, you may put like this, 5 upon 8 ... हमें 4 ही बोला था तो 4 ही लिखे ऐसा. ओके, Clear to you? Sure? Chalo. Next. I hope children you all are following it. Sure? Yeah, it's easy. Now third, or again between the two rational numbers, but this time the rational numbers will have different denominators. All right. Third one, 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. आप देख सकते हैं the denominators are different, so these are fractions, yeah, rational numbers with unlike denominators. So what to do? Only these two rational numbers I'm going to represent on the number line right now. The smaller one on the left and the larger one on the right. Which one is smaller? चलिए वो जानने के लिए 2 upon 3 और 3 upon 4 आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन कर लीजिए. 2 multiplied by 4, वो साइड पे 3 into 3. This is 8, this is 9. कौन बड़ा है? 9 बड़ा है, तो इट विल शूट 8. 8 को तीर मारेगा. जो बड़ा है छोटे वाले को तीर मारता है. See this तीर, arrow. So which is smaller? 8 is small, है ना? So ये rational number भी small है compared to that. So on the left hand side I'll write 2 upon 3, and on right hand side, extreme right, I'll write 3 upon 4 because that is bigger. All right. इस बार हम सिर्फ 3 rational numbers ढूंढेंगे between that. So I'll write first rational number. आपको पता है, I'll just remove this. पहला रेशनल नंबर ये होगा between that, correct? चलिए, so 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4 whole divided by 2. इस बार LCM is different. 4 और 3 का LCM, it's 12. I hope children you are knowing it. It's very easy. चलिए, say 3 ones are table till you get 12. 3 fours are. Now say 4 ones are table till you get 12. 4 threes are 12. Correct? Now 4 multiplied by the numerator 2. 4 twos are 8 plus 3 threes are 9, and division convert into multiplication. So inverse of 2 is 1 upon 2. 17 by 12 into 1 upon 2. 17 ones are 17, 12 twos are 24. So ये बीच वाला 17 upon 24. Got it? Understood children? Now you have to find the second one. ठीक है, second rational number. All right? ये दो के बीच ले लेते हैं. यहाँ 2 upon 3 plus 17 upon 24 divide by 2. That is like denominator नहीं है, so LCM ढूंढना पड़ेगा, which is 24. 3 8s are और 24 1s are. 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17s are 17 and multiplied by half. So ऊपर 33 upon 24 into 1 upon 2. 33 ones are 33 upon 24 twos are 48. So यहाँ हमें मिला 33 upon 48. So first rational number, ये second rational number. Okay, I'll just stick. I won't say the order. ये दो rational number between 2 upon 3 or 3 upon 4 हमें मिल गया. Now let's find out the third rational number. Third rational number. Well, you can find between these two, yeah, between these two. We'll find between these two. So that is 17 upon 24 plus 3 upon 4 whole divided by 2. Denominators are unlike, so we have to find the LCM, and that is 24. 24 ones are 4, 6 are 24. 1 17s are 17 plus 6 3s are 18. Multiplied, division को multiply किया, so 2 का inverse 1 upon 2. Now this is 35 upon 24 into 1 upon 2. and that is 35 upon 48. So this is 35 upon 48. Children, did you get that? Sure. So these are, so answer now. Answer. Required 3 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4 are 30, right in order, 33 upon 48, 17 upon 24, 35 upon 48, comma. You know there are infinite, so we are writing only 3 because 3 are asked. Are you getting me? Now in this method you have to do plenty of calculations. Am I right? Yes. Is there any other method by which we can find these rational numbers easier than this? Yes, children. Very easy. Very easy. Let's see. First we shall write 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Second, write 4 rational numbers between, which 2 numbers we had seen? 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 4. And third we saw write 3 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. Children, in this part it is going to be difficult, where the rational numbers are with unlike denominators. Children, here you can write upon 1. So like denominator hai. They are the fractions with like denominators. Yahan 4. So like denominators. I'm writing brief. And here 3 and 4. These are unlike denominators. Alright. When you have unlike denominators, slightly it is going to be tough. Okay. Anyway. Now see alternative method. Alternative method. Alright. First, 2 upon 1 and 3 upon 1. Children, 2 upon 1 and 3 upon 1. I am writing in which form? Rational number form. A upon B. Denominator में कुछ ना था, so we can write 1. You can never write 0. Okay? Sure. Now, how many rational numbers you have to find between them? 5. How many rational numbers you have to find between them? 5. So multiply and divide by 6. In second case, what you have? How many rational numbers you have to find? 4. If you have to find 4, multiply and divide by 5. In third case, how many rational numbers you have to find? 3. So increase by 1. So you have to multiply and divide by 4. Let's see that process to understand it better. 2 upon 1, comma, 3 upon 1. सर ने ये मिडल वाली लाइन एक्सटेंड किया. क्यों? If you have 5 to find, you will multiply and divide by 6. दोनों नंबर को multiply and divide by 6 कर लो. Okay? Now 2 6 are 12 and 1 6 are 6. Comma. 6 3 are या 3 6 are 18 upon 6. हो गए चिल्ड्रन. ये 12 upon 6 है, ये 18 upon 6 है. 12 और 18 के बीच कौन से नंबर है? 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 है क्या नहीं? और upon 6 तो सेम. So these are the 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3. हो गए. So इससे तुरंत ही लिख सकते हैं आंसर. Required 6 rational numbers between I'm putting the whole word this time. 2 and 3 are. चलिए 13 upon 6, 14 upon 6, 15 upon 6, 16 upon 6, 17 upon 6, dot dot dot. Or you may not put dot, doesn't matter. Children, कहीं पे reduce हो रहा है. Here 2 3s are 2 7s are, 3 2s are 3 5s are, 2 3s are 2 8s are. But there is no need to reduce. If you reduce, it is better. But if you don't reduce, it's okay. Understand? आप reduce करने बगैर लिखोगे तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Clear to you? चलिए. Now, second, इसके लिए क्या करते हैं देखते हैं. वही करना है. Now this is second one. 1 upon 4 or 3 upon 4. Yes, like denominator. So work is damn easy. 1 लाइन लंबी कर दो, फिर कॉमन. 3 upon 4, लेकिन ये लाइन लंबी. How many numbers you want? 4. So you will have to multiply and divide by 5. एक एक्स्ट्रा कर दो. Multiply and divide by 5. दोनों नंबर को multiply and divide numerator and denominator by 5. So this is 5 upon 20 and this is 15 upon 20. मिल गए. 6, 7, 8, 9. Are you getting me? Are you getting me? बस आप जितना चाहे इतना लिख लो. आंसर 6 upon 20, 7 upon 20, 8 upon 25 और 15 के बीच 6, 7, 8, 9 upon 20, 10 upon 4 ही बोला है ना. ओके. डॉट 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 आर required rational numbers between 1 upon 4 and 3 upon 4. Clear to you? Did you understand? आप रिड्यूस करना चाहते हो तो कर सकते. 2 3s are 2 10s are, 4 2s are 4 5s are. कुछ रिड्यूस हो रहे हैं. रिड्यूस मत करना. I'm telling you, don't waste time in the examination. For this particular answer, सिर्फ रेशनल नंबर ढूंढना है. वहां कहीं और कैलकुलेशन में रिड्यूस करना पड़ता है. चलिए. Got it? Now the third one. Okay. 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. डिनोमिनेटर्स आर अनलाइक. सो पहले लाइक डिनोमिनेटर्स करना पड़ेगा. यहां अनलाइक डिनोमिनेटर्स है. लाइक डिनोमिनेटर करना पड़ेगा. एंड वंस यू गेट लाइक डिनोमिनेटर्स, द वर्क इज वेरी सिंपल. करेक्ट? लेकिन अनलाइक डिनोमिनेटर को ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है लाइक डिनोमिनेटर्स में. उसके लिए क्या करना है? जो भी डिनोमिनेटर है उसका पहले आप एलसीएम निकालो. फाइंड द एलसीएम. 2 2s are 3 remains as it is. 2 1s are 3 remains as it is. 3 1s are. यहां एलसीएम लिख दो. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the LCM? 12. वही चीज मैं पहले करने वाला हूं. 2 upon 3 कॉम 3 upon 4. वो लंबा और लंबा कर दो इस बार. चलिए. What will you multiply with 3? What will you multiply with 3 to get like denominators? मतलब to get 12. 3 के साथ क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेगा? आपको 12 मिल जाए. 4. So if you are multiplying 4 down, आप also you multiply 4. Now इसको 12 बनाना है. You have to make 12. तभी like 3 4s are 12. ये 12 बन गया. इसको भी 12 बनाना है. So what you will multiply with 4 to get 12? 3. So up also you multiply 3. Is that clear? So what you got? 8 upon 12. And here 9 upon 12. ठीक है. अभी तो like denominator मिले. इसके बीच कितने numbers चाहिए? 3. If you want 3 rational numbers, multiply and divide by. बोलिए इसको ही extend कर दे. Okay. 8 upon 12, comma 9 upon 12. This time multiply and divide by 4. चलो. 8 4s are 32 upon 48. This is 36 upon 48. So now you got rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. How many? 5. Which are they? 32 के बाद क्या होता है? 33. So 33 upon 48, 34 upon 48 and 35 upon 48. required rational numbers are 33 upon 48, 35 upon 48, 34 upon 48 and 35 upon 48. I'm not putting dot this time. Only 3 are right, so 3 लिख दिया मैंने. Is that clear to you? Now here this can be reduced, this can be reduced, but I'm not going for reduction. I'll keep the answer as it is. Clear to you, children? Understood? Chaliye. Now next we shall see how to express the rational numbers in decimal expansion form. Representation of rational number in decimal expansion form. All right, very simple. We'll take few rational numbers and see what is their decimal expansion. 10 upon 3 आपको सिर्फ डिवाइड करना है. 10 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. Remainder is 1. Now no more digits to be brought down. So you can put decimal and after that you can start taking 0. 3 3s are 9. 1. एक बार decimal छोड़ दिया. Every time you can take 0. 3 3s are 9. 1. 3 3s are 9. 1. Then 0. 3 3s are 9. 1 0. 3 3s are 9. 1. This division will never end. Division will never end. Okay. यहाँ dot 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 लिख सकते हैं. So quotient is also unending decimal expansion. इसका कोई अंत नहीं है. It will never terminate. No end means no termination. Terminate means to end. Terminate is another English word specially used in mathematics, okay, which means ends, stops. All right. So here it is not stopping. So this is non-terminating. ये non-terminating decimal expansion है. 10 upon 3 is non-terminating decimal expansion. दूसरा नंबर ले लेते हैं. Second, 7 upon 8. Let's divide 7 by 8. तभी तो हमें वो decimal number मिलेगा. चलिए. Here 7 is not divisible. So straight away we start with point. So I get 0. Yeah, I can put 0. 8 8s are 64. 70 minus 64 is 6. Once decimal is put, you can take 0. 8 7s are 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. 0. 8 5s are 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. Division stops. Division stops, children. 0 is the remainder. So इसके आगे कोई भी decimal बढ़ने वाला, decimal places बढ़ने वाला नहीं है. So this is terminating decimal expansion. All right. Third number ले लेते हैं. 1 upon 7. Divide 1 by 7. शुरुआत में ही divisible नहीं है, so you can put point 0. Here you may write 0 if you want. 7 1s are 7. 10 minus 7 is 3. I'll do quickly, okay? 0. 7 4s are 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. 0. 7 2s are 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. 0. 7 8s are 56. 4 remains. 0. 7 5s are 35. 5 remains 0. 7 7s are 49. 1 remains 0. Children, ये 10 आ गया देखो फिर से. So now it is going to continue. ये 10 में यहाँ लिख रहा हूँ. 7 1s are 7. 3 0. फिर 7 4s are 28. 2 0. 7 2s are 14. 6 0. 7 8s are 56. 4 0. 7 5s are 35. 5 0. 7 7 49 1 0 फिर से 10 आ गया. सो ये डिजिट रिपीट होने वाली है. देखो 142857 142587 142857 142857. हाँ, लेकिन ये डिवीजन कभी भी खत्म होने वाला नहीं है. द डिवीजन इज नॉट गोइंग टू टर्मिनेट. सो दिस इज नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल expansion. Non terminating decimal expansion. All right, so हमने 3 numbers देखे. These are all rational numbers. A upon B, A upon B, P upon Q form. So they are rational numbers. When you convert rational numbers into decimal expansion, either they are non-terminating decimal expansion or terminating. Children, जो non-terminating है उसमें भी speciality है. Something is specific about non-terminating decimal expansion. Let's notice that. Let's observe that. Let us mark that. See, 3 3 3 3 3 3. It is repeating. That digit 3 is repeating. It is recurring. So this can be written as 10 upon 3, can be written in brief as 3.3 and then bar. You can put bar over recurring decimal. This is not recurring. Here, yes, 1 upon 7 is equal to 0.142857. 2 4 6 डिजिट reoccur होते हैं, repeat होते हैं. So 6 digits are recurring. Okay, so you put bar over those 6 digits. So this is how you can represent 1 upon 7 in brief form. I hope you understood. Can we take 2 more example and see? Yes, quickly, but okay, because time is running out here. Fourth, 4 upon 5 and fifth, 13 upon 17. All right, 4 divided by 5. Yes, not divisible, so point, you may put 0 and 0 here. 5 8s are 40. अरे terminate हो गया. It is terminating decimal expansion. 13 की बात करें, divide by 17. All right, 17 ones are table. If you know, it's fine, or you make it. 2s are 34, 3s are 51, 4s are 68, 5s are 85, 6s are 102, 7s are 119, 8s are 136, 9s are 153, and 10s are 160. This will not be required. Okay, चलिए. 13 not divisible, 17 उससे बड़ा है, so point I'll put 0 and 0. 130 here, ये जाएगा 7s क्या है? 7s बोलिए क्या है? 119 और 11 होगा 0. 110 ये जाएगा 6s what is that? 102. मैंने लंबी लाइन ड्रॉ कर दी तो थोड़ा पता चल गया है ना कि यहां एंडलेस डेसिमल प्लेसेस आने वाले हैं. चलिए 8 करेक्ट. सो 0 ना 80 68 जाएगा. 4s are 68, 12 0. 120 so 119 जाएगा. 7s are 119, 1 0 not divisible, so zeros are, we are taking one more 0 now. 100 so 85 जाएगा. 5s are 85, so 15 0. 150 136 जाएगा. 8s are 136, so 14 0. 136 जाएगा. 8s are 136, 4 0. I'm writing that 40 here, right? 40 so 34 जाएगा. 2s are 34 minus करो 6 0. 51 जाएगा. 3s are what is that? 51 so 9 0. 90 85 5s are 85 so now 5 0. 7 7s are sorry What is that? 17, 50 है ना? So 2s are again. 2s are how much? 34. So 18 and 0. Some mistake I have made. 17, 2s are, yeah, 34. So it will be 16, 0. 160. So 9s are 153. 7 remains 0. 70. So 4s are 68. 2 remains and I am putting that 0. 1s are 17. 3 remains 0. 1s are 17. 13 remains 0. Children, देख लो ये 130 आ गया, पहला वाला आ गया. सो अब रिपीट होगा. क्या रिपीट होगा? देखो चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज रिपीटिंग नाउ? इसके बाद 7 6 4 7 0 5 8 8 2 3 5 2 9 4 1 1. उसके बाद और डिवीजन कंटिन्यू करेंगे तो फिर से आएगा 7 6 4 7 0 5 8 8 2 3 5 2 9 4 1 1. फिर से आएगा 7 6 4 7 0 5 8 8 2 3 5 2 9 4 1 1. कहने का मतलब नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग जरूर है, बट इट विल बी रिकरिंग. कुछ डिजिट्स इनफाइनाइट टाइम्स रीअकर करेंगे, रीअपियर करेंगे. इज दैट क्लियर? So from this, what can we conclude? Any rational number is either of form terminating decimal expansion या non-terminating decimal expansion. Got it, children? So what we learned today? Very little thing, but this thing you need to realize nicely. Okay, so we will continue our chapter in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Bye bye. Have a good day.